What's up guys? Today or tonight in Manila, Philippines, Eastwood specifically, I'm gonna finally try Zark's burger. It's something that I always seen here. I think it's like a basketball thing. It's here in the city walk. As you can see, all the cool like things. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try Zark's burger. Damn, they even have a whole box over here. Look at that. I'll show you the menu right after this, but look at that. Not bad. Zark's burger. Besides all the burgers, I saw that they have Ray's hot chicken here. I know it's like a stateside thing, but I've never tried it because in Guam we don't have that, but they have Ray's. I think it's like Howlin' Ray. Shout outs to Garrett. Look at that. I love me hot wings, man. Just love it. They even have it on over rice, so you dip garlic or spicy. That is cool. Looking good. Let's go ahead and get some chow over here. All right, this is Zark's Burger's menu here at Zark's Burger in the Eastwood location. They got some history, look like some basketball stuff, but then this is pre-game. I guess there's just appetizers. Damn, they have seasoned fries, bacon bits, Hall of Fame fries, nachos, onion rings, and some Southern classics, crispy fried chicken, buffalo wings, oh my gosh. This is the minor league upgrades. You can get meals and all these burgers. These are really good looking burgers, as you can see. This one is interesting. You put mac and cheese and bacon. And center is all the mushrooms, jawbreaker, grilled cheeseburger, damn, deep fried burger. That's interesting. This is cool. Zark's Burger here in Eastwood, Manila. This is the cheesy burgers. Not bad. Damn, look at that. 4.5 inches. Current record is 1 minute and 45 seconds to eat this challenge. Tombstone. That is too much of meat. Yeah, that's their menu. There's even rice. That's the thing you're gonna notice here in the Philippines. Always rice in every restaurant. Very cool. If you're into rice and Asian, the Philippines got you on these menus. That looks good. It's all the cheese and some lettuce and all that stuff. Looking good. Oh, the fries look seasoned too. Zark's Ultimate.
Try some flavors.
Sour cream. Oh damn, you can get flavored fries here? Look at that. You get cheddar cheese, sour cream, truffles, Texas barbecue. Man, that looks good. And I got this thing called Blue Lemonade. It's something that Philippines always has. It's very fun. We're gonna gotta try that. Jin's getting this 3-pointer.
Yeah, I just get this one. 3-pointer.
Yeah.
Meal? Did you get meal?
I got the meal.
I don't know. I just want the burger. Yeah.
We got Blue Lemonade, something that I always see here in Manila, and those little stores that sell drinks besides gulaman. It's Blue Lemonade. First time I'm gonna actually try this. Tastes like lemonade, but blue. We have the burger here, the Ultimate Burger. Looks like there's some cheese, onions. They melted another cheese. I think it's nacho cheese. The patty. You got some tomato and some lettuce. And this burger bun is pretty big. You see my hand? And then some fries. Jen got this, I forgot what this is called. Triple threat or something. Oh, it has some mozzarella cheese. It looks pretty good.
You need to use the hands too.
Yeah, you gotta use
like
like a
gloves.
Yeah, I'm putting some ketchup on my burger. I got some mustard as well.
Mustard is good.
Good stuff. Let's go bite into this bad boy.
Cheers, sis.
Good.
How is it?
Alright, we're gonna get this bad boy started. She's gonna bite.
Oh, look at the juicy one.
Look how massive that burger is.
Wow.
And all the moisture and juices coming out.
Good.
Yeah. And this burger is pretty hefty. Yeah, the bread is also fat bread. Oh wow. Nice patty. Good mix of cheese and vegetables. Good burger here in Zark. This is the, I guess, sour cream fries. I don't think this sour cream fries. Just tastes plain.
It's a plain?
Yeah.
Alright.
So if you can just put the topping aside. Thank you.
Gonna taste it.
Yeah, bite Gin Zone. Oh wow. Good cheese. Good cheese pool.
It's good as well.
The tomatoes should be good.
But
No, you. I have mine. Don't worry. Yeah, that's the one I go for. Oh, that cheese pool. That looks good, man.
but
No, I have mine. Don't worry.
this one. Wow. Thank
you.
you.
Got the sour cream fries.
Wow.
Mine has 2 types of cheese and mushrooms.
Oh wow. That's good too.
This is the sour cream fries. It's pretty good. Tastes like potato corn. Try this bad boy right here. It's a hefty burger. Oh wow. The bacon isn't like crispy toasted. It still tastes like a pork belly. Nice and soft. Give it like 2 seconds and then, yeah.
It's heavy.
Bite the one with the bacon.
I'm full.
Bite it. The bacon. Yeah. That's good, right? What I did is that garlic parmesan, I put it on the burger and it has more spices now. Wow. Jin already tapped out because it's a big burger. Almost done here. Jin Zone has onion, caramelized onion, and I think that's egg or cheese.
There's a double cheese.
Oh, it's double cheese. One Swiss or one mozzarella and one regular American cheese. Oh wow. Just onion. That's a good mix. Not a damn chance. Okay.
Dapat siguro pa palang tubig.
Wash that down. Very good. All right. So we just finished paying. It was $523, which is about like 10 bucks, and that's like maybe 10, no, like $12, $13. But that's a big portion of burger. That was well worth it. That was Zarks.